Shares of Apple are up 6% now in overtime after reporting a beat on the top and bottom line in earnings just a moment ago. Trading at these levels in the regular session would have just about erased the losses for the year. Let's bring in Tim Lesko of Mariner Wealth Advisors, which owns more than 10 million shares of Apple stock. What's your feeling about these results? And Tim Cook saying up single digits in June.
Yeah, I think the results were a heck of a lot better than most people on the street expected. You know, as long-term shareholders, we don't react so much to quarterly results, but this was really a quarter that was setting up for disappointment, and certainly we saw something that was a lot more pleasant. And I also think it's a great time to talk capital allocation, how as shareholders we'll be patient as the product cycle improves to get paid while we wait.
So how much do you care about this buyback then? It won't hurt earnings per share, that's for sure.
Right, certainly. You've had a company now for, better over a year, really hasn't had the kind of earnings growth or the kind of revenue growth that it had, that's become expected in it. So it's nice as shareholders when you've got a billion users installed base, that you generate tons and tons of recurring cash, that while during periods of time when you don't have the hottest product, that you're at least giving something back to shareholders.
Apple's in a unique position where it's not investing in AI necessarily so that it can sell services to other companies. Other companies are going to end up paying Apple for placement of their AI services in Apple's browser, on Apple's phones. And then Apple's going to build these capabilities, we would expect, into its software and expect that to perhaps drive an upgrade cycle. So as a long-term investor, how are you looking to judge the value of Apple's investments in AI?
Well, I think you hit a couple of really salient points, John, in that right now Apple is being sued across the globe for some of the privacy issues that it feels are very important to its customers. So how it works with existing AI, how it builds its own AI, and whether or not that's within a walled garden is going to become very important to the future of Apple and the future of these lawsuits. So we've always liked to see Apple wait for the technologies to mature so that they can get paid for the technology. A lot of people are talking about AI. A lot of people are betting on a significant future in it. But you always want to be the one collecting the paychecks.
Do you think that Apple's share is in danger of being eaten somewhere, or are you heartened by what you heard about China?
I think we're heartened by what we heard about China. Certainly China there's two pieces to it, right? China went through an economic slowdown as well as a switch to other products and some political machinations of our relationship with China as a country. So continued, I'll call it relative strength in China to what expectations were, are all good for us.